going to teach you how to draw a cougar. It's going to look like this. Start getting your pencil and start drawing the eyes by drawing 2 ovals in a V shape. And second, start drawing 2 bumpy curves and take 2 lines out. And then start drawing the ears by doing half circles, which look like ovals. And then put another one on the other side. And start doing a half tiny circle and do a zigzag. And then same on the other side. Second, we're going to start drawing its nose. So we first take a triangle shape and curve it on the top. And then start drawing the eyes a little more designed. So we're going to draw 1 circle and another in the other eyes. And then start coloring in. And then start drawing the mouth. So we're gonna do a big bumpy line which comes out like that. And then draw another one in. Start drawing its teeth by doing 2 big ones and then some other ones. Then start with the back. So curve 1 big line which will come up and start going down. Then start drawing the tail by going down and curving up. And then start trying to make a loop around and try to make it look like a lion's. But then come down and get it, the line, and then come a little down and then go back. Start doing the paws by doing 3 curves and do a zigzag line to connect in. Second, start drawing 1 line and then stop. Draw the big line, which you'll need 1 right here, big, and 1 small. And then start getting smaller. And then, after you're really close, start doing a paw. And then do a zigzag line. Then do a big curve and attach this to the line. And then put 1 straight line and then come with another line. Then draw the paws again. And next one, try to go a little diagonal and do 3 more curves and put the other leg in and do a zigzag line. Next, we're gonna try to do 1 more detail. If you want, you could start like making a little more detail by making a little circle-y on the head and coming it out and erase one of the part so it'll look more like it. And then we'll need to make the claws. So take 1 line and then curve it in and color it in. And then do it on the same everywhere. And now we're going to start coloring it. So first get your red and start coloring them out. After you're done, go get a light orangish kind of color. And then start coloring in all the spots. But not the ears or the eyes or the nose. Keep on coloring every spot. But don't color after the zigzag line. And keep on coloring. You can tilt the paper if you need a little more help. Keep on coloring till you get done. Then get your black and start coloring in the eyes and the nose. Since the ears are not colored, you need to go get a pink and start coloring them in. And that's all for today's. Subscribe and click on the notification bell. And bye. I'll see you next time.